Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Cactrot in Roblox Mobile. First, make sure your Roblox app is completely updated, ensuring you have the newest features and bug fixes. Next, verify your internet connection is strong and steady, which prevents frustrating disconnections while you play. Finally, charge your mobile device to at least 80% battery, allowing you ample time to complete the acquisition process without power issues. Once in the game, open your map and carefully navigate to an area called the Mystic Desert Oasis. This specific location is crucial for finding Cactrot, so take your time getting there. Upon arrival, scan the landscape for a unique rock formation. It resembles a large, three-pronged fork sticking out of the sand. The Cactrot generally appears directly behind this recognizable landmark, often blending in with its surroundings. When you locate the Cactrot, walk up to it and look for a small interaction prompt hovering just above its head. Tapping this will initiate a minigame, which is a quick 5-step memory sequence puzzle. You must correctly repeat the series of lights and sounds that appear on your screen. Be quick and precise. You have only 30 seconds to complete the entire sequence successfully to proceed. After successfully completing the memory sequence puzzle, a short, automatic animation will play, showing the Cactrot being captured. Following this, the Cactrot will immediately be added to your in-game inventory, ready for use. A clear confirmation message will then appear on your screen, proudly announcing Cactrot acquired. This confirms you have successfully obtained your new companion, ready for adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.